Hey everybody, Ryan here with the Lawn Channel, and in today's video we're going to look at the side yard over here that we supercharged last week. It's been 8 days since we did that, and today we're going to cut the grass and we're going to apply another ½ pound of nitrogen to that side of the yard. And as you can tell, it's greened up quite a bit in just a week's time, and it's kind of matched the front yard, the main front area now. And the issue I'm having over here though is seed heads, which are kind of out of control. I cut the grass and it leaves like a haze even after you cut the grass and cut the seed heads off. So this side not so much. We aren't seeing really many seed heads at all. I'm not sure why, and if somebody knows, maybe leave a comment in the comment below in the video and let me know if the reasons on seed heads and why maybe some areas of the yard are seeing them and some aren't. With that said, I don't want to drag this video out. We're going to go ahead and cut this side of the yard here and apply another ½ pound of nitrogen per 1,000, which is about 2 pounds of urea, which is nearly 50% nitrogen. And from this point, we'll try to document this week by week and see how far we go with this little series here of supercharging your Bermuda grass. 1 second, buddy, okay? But in 8 days time, we have made quite a bit of progress, and like I said, it looks like we're kind of matching up with the other side of the yard now on the turf. It's come along really well. So I do want to make a comment here. As you see, I've got a Lawn Channel t-shirt. If you go to thelawnchannel.com, we have some different merchandise you could choose from. If you wanted to support the channel, you could purchase something that way and would be greatly appreciated. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get prepared to do our ½ pound of nitrogen spray here. What I found are that these 32-ounce pitchers here, topped off is about 2 pounds of urea. And so that's what I need here is 2 pounds of urea, which gives us a pound of nitrogen split into 2,000 square feet, which is a ½ pound per 1,000 square feet. In the previous video, I did the math wrong, and I actually only put down a ¼ pound of nitrogen per 1,000. And if you look in the comment, you'll see where I explained that. And I went the next day and applied another ¼ pound to get to your ½ pound of nitrogen. So today we're going to go the correct amount, and we're going to spray that now. And in this spray, I'm not going to put the microgreen. It's not something you have to spray or probably need to spray every time you do this, but maybe the next week I will apply microgreen back into the solution here. So we're just going to pour about halfway up with water and start mixing in our urea, and then we'll go spray. One thing that you may want to do is pour slowly. Pour slowly and mix, and try to get this dissolved. You don't want it clunking up at the bottom and causing you issues as you're trying to spray. So just pour slowly and mix at the same time. What's up, buddy?
I need to fix this.
Fix your helmet? Okay, 1 second, okay. Filling it up to the top, okay? 2 gallons, okay? Yeah, 2 gallons. And say subscribe to the channel for more videos.
Subscribe to
Look at the camera. Say subscribe to the channel for more videos. Say it.
Subscribe for more videos. Subscribe to videos.
Say leave a comment below.
Leave your comment.
All right, we're topped off and let's mix it some more. Whoa, too fast. All right, guys, again, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, all that.
Subscribe to video to more monsters.
For more monsters. We're not gonna watch monsters on this channel.
I am gonna subscribe it to Libby and subscribe the zombies to Libby and
the zombies? No, we're not. Nah, we're just spraying the lawn.
No, I'm making something we can do a zombie party.
A zombie party. Okay, we'll do that.
And I need you to decorate the houses and decorate the store.
Okay. Let's go spray them out. Let's spray them.
Okay.
Let's go.